Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the MacBook so you avoid any accidental input. Place it on a clean, flat surface and wipe the protector to see the edge. Warm the perimeter slightly with your hands or a hair dryer on low for about 10 to 15 seconds so the adhesive softens. This makes lifting easier. Once done, slide a thin plastic pick or fingernail under a corner and lift gently to create a small gap without bending the glass or the chassis. You now keep a steady hand and peel the protector slowly, maintaining even pressure across the lift point. Pull at a low angle of about 10 to 20 degrees so the adhesive separates without flexing the screen. This reduces stress on the glass and the MacBook hinge. If you feel increased resistance, pause and warm that spot again briefly to soften adhesive. For stubborn residue, use dental floss or a thin strip to saw under the protector. While you lift to break, you finish by inspecting the screen for adhesive and gently wipe remaining residue with 70% isopropyl on a microfiber cloth. Use minimal liquid and avoid ports. Once clean, reboot and check display clarity and trackpad responsiveness to confirm no damage. If you notice streaks, repeat the cleaning with light pressure. If ghosting, reboot in safe mode. Make sure to stop immediately if the screen chips, cracks, or you detect unusual gaps. Consult Apple or a certified repair service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.